Well, good evening, peeps. As you can see, we're underway. So that means who is gone? Sucks. But as you can see, folks, we're on our way. First one in the Welland Canal this year. We'll go down, turn around, we're coming in, and we'll be on our way to Thunder Bay. So, it's all have a good night. And yeah, that's about it, man. And yeah, I did stumble with my camera. But anyway, I'll turn around and show you the view. Yeah, we'll be stopping for fuel in Sarnia as well, in Caustic, I do believe. Oops. And it sucks, because you can't smoke in the accommodations. But as you can see, we're in Lock 8. We were just above the lock anyway. I'm gonna flip the camera. So, anyway, peeps, have a good night. It's cold. I gotta go in and get something to eat, and then call the boo. Okay, guys, have a good night. Talk to you all tomorrow.